A God WOD This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Richards Goffe.
Greetings, greetings, greetings. Listen, even prophets will try to stop you from doing what Holy Spirit is telling you to do. But just make up your mind for say, like Paul did say, even if I dead, me I go dead. Me have to do where the Holy Spirit tell me to do. And me have to go where the Holy Spirit tell me to go. Anyway, today, me I go read from the book we name Acts, chapter 21, from verse 1 to verse 15. And when the time come, we left them and sail go straight a course. And the next day we reach a roads. And from there so we head for Patwa. We find one ship where cross over go Phoenicia. So we go upon it and sail out. When we reach where we could see Cyprus and we pass it on the left-hand side, we sail go Assyria. We tap a tire because the ship did feel left the sit them where did I carry there. After we find the believer them, we turn with them for 7 days. The Holy Spirit showed the believer them where did I go reach Paul in Jerusalem. So them beg him over and over, no figure out there. And when at the time we left them, we shoot out again. All of them with them wife and picnic follow we out of the city. After we go down and we kneel and pray on the beach, we tell one another bye-bye. Then we go back on the ship and them go back at the yard. We go and sail from Tyre till we reach Ptolemais. And after we say howdy to the believer them, we turn with them for 1 day. The next day, we left and go to Caesarea and go turn a Philip yard. Him, I did one of the 7 men them where the believer them in Jerusalem did pick for look after the woman them who for husband did dead. Philip did have 4 daughters were never married, and the 4 of them I did profit. After we did dead for a couple days, one prophet named Agabus come down from Judea. He come up to it, take Paul's belt and tie up him own hand and foot and say, the Holy Spirit say, as same so, the Jew them in Jerusalem are going to tie up the man who owned the belt here and turn him over to the people them. We are no Jew. When we hear this, we and the other believer them from the area beg Paul over and over, said, no go up to Jerusalem. Then Paul answer we say, when I do, a ball and I broke my heart. Well, me ready, no uncle for them tie me up. But all if I dead, me I go dead in Jerusalem. Me ready for dead for my Lord Jesus Christ. When we say, we couldn't get him for change his mind and no go. We give up and just say, Lord, make where you want for happen. After that, we get with sitting them and show about God Jerusalem. Some of the believer them from Caesarea come with we too and lead we go to Nason house where we did for stay. Nason did come from Cyprus and him I did one believer from way back when. A God WOD this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.